Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 129. If we start with this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 1 here and a 4 here, so this is our 9. That 4 makes this our 1, 4. For this box now we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this row now we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 6, 3 here, so 4, 6, and no help here, so 3, 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 4, no help here, 2, 3, 4, 2 and 4 here, so that means this is our 3, 4, 2. That 3 makes this our 6, 4, 3. For this box now, we're only missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 7, 6 here, so 1, 7, 1 here, so 6, 7. That means the only place our 1 can be in that box is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help, so 5, 7, 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 9. We've got 3 and 6 here, so 1, 9, 3 here, so 1, 6, 9, 1 here, so 3, 6, 9, 1 here, so 3, 6, 9. We look at this column, we're missing 1, 6, 8, and 9. We've got 1, 8, and 9 here, so this is our 6. 1, 6, 9 here, so this is our 8. And we can get rid of the 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got the 3 here, so 2, 4, 2 and 4 here, so this is our 3. 2 here, so that makes this our 4, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 3, 6 here, so 1, 6. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. That 1 makes this our 9, 1. We can get rid of this 9 and this 9. For this row now, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 4, 9 here, so 8, 9. For this column now, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 6. 6 here, so 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 7, 4, 7. So that means the only place in this box our 5 can be is here. That 5 makes this our 6, 3, 6. And that 5 makes this our 7, 5. That 7 makes this our 4, 7. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. And to finish out this box, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.